Hello to all of the students. Students, today let us see about the aromatic nucleophilic substitution, which is known as SN-AR reaction. Now students, the replacement of hydrogen or substituent on an aromatic ring by nucleophile is known as aromatic nucleophilic substitution. The reason for the unusual reactivity of aromatic compounds is the presence of lone pair of electron or pi bond on a key atom of leaving group. As a result, delocalization of lone pair of electron or the pi bond through conjugation with pi electrons of the aromatic ring, there is partial double bond character between carbon of ring and the key atom. Thus, the key atom becomes firmly bonded to aromatic ring and cannot be replaced easily. But if there is presence of electron withdrawing group in the structure of aryl halides, it will readily undergo aromatic nucleophilic substitution. As the number of electron withdrawing groups in a aryl halide increases, the rate of reaction also increases. Now students, a nucleophilic aromatic substitution is a substitution reaction in organic chemistry in which the nucleophile displaces a good leaving group such as halide on an aromatic ring. Aromatic rings are usually nucleophilic in nature. Now in nucleophilic aromatic substitution, in which the aromatic ring is bonded with the nucleophile. When such aryl halides are treated with like NaOH, the NaOH contains strong nucleophile. Therefore, leaving group Br from aryl halide is replaced by the strong nucleophile OH. This is aromatic nucleophilic substitution. This reaction mainly given by only those aromatic compounds which contain powerful electron withdrawing group in its structure and a leaving group. That means both strong leaving group and strong electron withdrawing groups should be present in aromatic compound to undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution. Mainly that electron withdrawing group, it should be present at ortho and para position. If electron withdrawing groups is present at meta position, such aromatic compound do not undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution. Now, the element effect in nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction is characterized by the leaving group order fluorine greater than NO2 greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I in activated aryl substrates. If we say about the electron withdrawing groups present in aromatic compound, they increases the rate of reaction. More and more number of electron withdrawing groups in aromatic compound make the reaction faster and faster. For an example, 2,4-dinitrophenyl chloride contains 2 nitro groups and para-nitrophenyl chloride contains 1 nitro group. Therefore, 2,4-dinitrophenyl chloride is more reactive towards aromatic nucleophilic substitution. Here you can see that the first aromatic compound contain 1 Na2, second contain 2 NO2 group and third contain 3 NO2 group. Therefore, third compound have fastest rate of reaction in comparison to 2 other aromatic compounds. Now in aromatic nucleophilic substitution, you can see that these aryl halides readily do not undergo nucleophilic substitution, because if we compare alkyl halides with aryl halides, CX bond in alkyl halides carbon of CX bond in alkyl halide is in sp3 hybridized state and bond length is 177 pm. In aryl halides, carbon of CX bond is in sp3 hybridized state and bond length is 170 pm. That means in aryl halides, carbon of CX has sp2 hybridized and shorter bond length, therefore it is a stronger bond in comparison to alkyl halides. Therefore, they do not readily undergo nucleophilic substitution. But if there is presence of electron withdrawing group at ortho or para position, then they will undergo aromatic nucleophilic substitution readily. Aryl halides have also tendency to undergo resonance stabilization, that means delocalization of electron at ortho and para position. Therefore, they are ortho-para directing. Here, some of the reactions are given. In the first reaction, you can see Cl is replaced by NH2, and in second reaction, you can see that fluorine is given out and hydrogen from OH is given out, and the carbon to which the fluorine was initially bonded get attached with the heteroatom, that is oxygen, to form the product. In this reaction, Sanger's reagent is to be treated with the compound that is written on arrow. Fluorine is given out, and the carbon of that fluorine that was initially bonded, fluorine with that carbon bonded with the nitrogen. But before that, one of the hydrogen from NH2 is given out and NH only remains there, and the carbon which was bonded initially with fluorine get bonded with nitrogen of NH to form the product. Let us see about the SN-AR mechanism. We see that aryl halides do not undergo the mechanism easily because the conjugation between lone pair of electron on Cl and the carbon atom in the ring, and due to presence of this lone pair of electron on halogen which are bonded with the aromatic ring, the resonance stabilization takes place and the compound becomes ortho-para directing, and also CX bond possesses double bond character. But if there is presence of strong electro withdrawing group at ortho and para position, then aryl halide readily undergo aromatic nucleophilic substitution. That means it is important that electron withdrawing group should be present at ortho or para position of aromatic compound. The aromatic nucleophilic substitution do not undergo at meta position as there is presence of electron withdrawing group at meta position. That means if electron withdrawing group is present at meta position, such compound do not undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution, because if electron withdrawing group is present at meta position, it has no effect on the reactivity. Now SN-AR mechanism takes place in two steps, addition and elimination. Therefore, this mechanism is also known as addition-elimination mechanism. In the first step is addition type of step. In this step is rate determining step. Therefore, first step is also known as rate determining step. In this step, the aromatic ring is attacked by nucleophile, forming the intermediate, and that intermediate is known as Meisen-Himmer complex. this Mesenhymer complex undergo resonance stabilization and gives resonance stabilized structures. This intermediate is an anion with highly delocalized charge for which several resonance structures are returned. The second step is elimination step, in which loss of leaving group takes place to form the product. Here you can see that how Mesenhymer complex is formed, that is known as sigma complex, which has a resonating structure due to resonance stabilization. In the mechanism of SN-AR reaction, you can see that one of the aromatic compound is written here. This is the halogen containing pair of electron, and this is the electron withdrawing group NO2. Due to presence of NO2 at para position, this compound will undergo aromatic nucleophilic substitution readily. Therefore, when OH negative nucleophile approaches to the Cl, firstly it attaches to the carbon to which Cl was initially bonded. After that, Mesenhymer complex is formed. This Mesenhymer complex undergo resonance stabilization, through which the resonance stabilized structures are obtained. These resonance stabilized structure, this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is one is fourth. After the formation of Mesenhymer complex, the last stage is obtained when Cl is given out and the product of the aromatic nucleophilic substitution is obtained, where Cl is replaced by OH. During the formation of Mesenhymer complex, this resonating structure is obtained when OH get bonded with carbon to which Cl is already bonded. This bond breaks down and electrons are transferred here. Therefore, electron pair is present at this ortho position. After that, this electron pair at ortho position get transferred here to carbon-carbon single bond and can get converted into carbon-carbon double bond. At the same time, the electrons from this double bond get transferred to the para position. In the next structure is obtained when this electron pair present at para position, it get transferred to this carbon-carbon double single bond, which get converted into double bond. After that, the electron pair, that is pi electron, get transferred to this position and it get converted into double bond. After that, to get the next resonating structure, this electron pair is present on the ortho position again. In such a way, it is orthopara directing. The electron delocalization of electron present takes place at the orthopara and again ortho position. After that, at last, this Cl is given out and only remains here OH. In such a way, the mechanism of SN-AR reaction takes place, in which OH nucleophile firstly approaches to the carbon to which Cl is bonded. It gets firstly partially bonded with carbon of Cl. Then there is formation of Mesenheimer complex which undergo resonance stabilization, and at last the Cl is given out and there remains only OH bonded with the carbon to form the final product. In such a way, students, this is the aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction and its mechanism.